everyone, today I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of the Cocoa Beach Pier here in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Starting off on the right hand side here at the base of the pier is the visitors information booth. Next to that you are going to find Sea Dogs where you can get hot dogs, sodas, all the snacks right there. And there is also the Keith's Oyster Bar here on the left hand side. So if you're looking for an oyster bar, they've got it for you right here at the base of the pier. You're also going to find a little ATM there as well if you need some cash. Now let's take a quick look off to the side here. You are going to see some volleyball courts and the ocean off there in the distance. So that's Cocoa Beach there. Let's walk up the kind of boardwalk or the entrance to the Cocoa Beach Pier here. The pier opens at 11 a.m. daily. Shoes are required and there is no outside food or drinks or pets allowed up here. On the right hand side here you'll see some showers. If you are on the beach you can shower off right there. But here's a quick look at those volleyball courts. Looks gorgeous. The sand is amazing here. You're also going to find restrooms here on the left hand side. So there's a women's restroom right there as well as a men's restroom coming up here on the left hand side. Now the first part of the pier here does have a covered area, so if you've had too much sun you can come in here and hide from the rays. Here's another look at the volleyball courts and Cocoa Beach here. The sand is amazing here at Cocoa Beach. A lot of people out here. It is spring break. Now you're gonna find the pier shop here, gifts and souvenirs. So if you are here on holidays, maybe you want a t-shirt or a mug, you'll find all that stuff in here, some odds and ends if you do need anything. Now this pier does feature souvenir shops, gift shops, bars, and restaurants out here. So there's plenty to do if you're wanting to hide from the sun. You can come and get some lunch out here. Chocolate frozen bananas, $4.95. You can find those out here as well. Now there is the Tropical Threads Beach Boutique here. So if you're looking for some clothing, swimsuits, different things like that, you'll find that in here. And here's the first bar that you'll see out on the pier. So plenty of seating up here at the bar. And the pricing for drinks here, it looks like they start around the $10 or $11 mark here. You can pause it here and have a closer look if you're interested to see what is on their menu. Continuing on here, so there's plenty of seating along the bar here and then it turns into tables. So if you do want a great view, you can come sit out here, order a beverage and watch the waves coming in. And on the left here, you're gonna find a board that has some historical information throughout the years on Cocoa Beach. You can check that out if you're out here. And at the end here, you're gonna find the Pelicans Bar and Grill. You can head on in there for some lunch or dinner. And again, with some great views. There is an inside area as well as an outside area. You'll see the outside area in a moment. Inside here, you're gonna find more restrooms as well as an ATM. And there's also a squish a penny. For 51 cents, you get a souvenir penny. You can squish that right inside there. Now coming out on the other side of the pier here, we're gonna head on down and see Ricky's Tiki Tavern in a moment. But off to the left here, there's some great views of Cocoa Beach in the other direction. So you can see there's lots of people surfing out here as well as people under their umbrellas just enjoying a beach day. Gorgeous day again here in Cocoa Beach, Florida. It looks so much fun to be out there in the waves. Continuing on here, you can see that the Cocoa Beach Pier kind of swerves around, but this is one of my favorite spots on the pier right here. You're gonna get your first look at Ricky's Tiki Tavern out there. This is a great spot for photos or selfies with great views in both directions. Now right here is the backside of Pelicans Bar and Grill. We already showed you the other side of it, but they have a huge outdoor seating area here with tables on both sides of the pier. Now if you're out here and it's sunny, they've got the umbrellas that open up. It's kind of windy right now, so they're all shut, but a great place to come for lunch or dinner and just enjoy the views and have some great eats out here on the Cocoa Beach Pier. And check that out, there's a kite surfer out there. It looks like he's having an amazing time. The waves are pretty big out there, lots of people surfing and just having a ton of fun. Now this pier, the Cocoa Beach Pier, was fully restored. It is 800 feet long. If you're wondering how long it is, and it was actually built in 1962. So a nice long pier, 800 feet. Come out here for a little walk. There's another guy, it looks like he's kite surfing, but he's holding on to the kite. So that's pretty cool out there as well. Now here's the Ricky's Tiki Tavern. So if you are interested in coming out here for some beverages, that's right out here at the end of the pier. You can check out Ricky's Tiki Tavern, really cool little bar out there. Great views out here of Cocoa Beach. So that's the one direction. right there. You can see the waves crashing in, a lot of people out there. Again, this is spring break. And then on the other side here, again, more surfers and just people hanging out under their beach umbrellas. So I hope you did enjoy taking this tour of the Cocoa Beach Pier. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thanks for watching and take care.